Hello dear students, today we will make a craft of number ladder. So first we need a craft paper. We can use any paper. So what we will do, we will make a strip with this paper. So we will cut it with the help of scissor. Dear students, please make sure that your parents are with you while you are doing this activity. So first we cut the strip like this. Now what we will do is we will make two cuts like this. One here like this. Okay, is it clear? And one here like this. Okay, now what we will do, we will take thread. You can use ribbon also, or any thread you can use. Okay, now we will insert a button into it. You can use beads also, but I'm using this button. Okay, so we will insert it like this. Okay, now what we will do, we make a straight line on this strip and write numbers on it from 0 to 10. We start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what we will do, we put this button on suppose number 5. Now one side of the thread we insert in that cut and another one from here in this way. You can tie a knot at the back side with the help of your mama. In this way we can make a number ladder. If the button is moving from 0 towards 10, then it is forward movement, and if the button is moving from 10 to 0, then it is backward movement. Now this is forward movement from 0 to 10. This is backward movement from 10 to 0. Forward movement is after. Forward movement is after, and backward movement is before. Backward movement is before. If I put this button on 4 and I told you to move this button forward toward 5, then it is after. And if I told you to move this button from 5 to 4, then it is backward movement. That means we are talking about before. So now I will ask you some questions. Which number comes after 5? Then you will move forward or backward? Forward. Yes. 6 will come after 5. Okay. Now can you tell me which number will come before 6? Now I will move forward or backward? I will move backward. And what comes before 6? 5. If I ask what comes before 5, then it will be, I have to again move backward. It will be 4. Again I am asking you one more question. What will come before 8? Now again before, so I have to move backward. So what will be the number? It will be 7. And again, if I told you that which number comes before 1, then it will be I have to move forward or backward? I have to move backward, and it will be 0. And if I have to move forward from 0 to 1, then it is after. Thank you.